Today, I'm making the scariest game I've ever made in my game dev career.
Ooh, where is it? Oh no. Ah, okay.
This is a challenge for me because I hate horror games. I hate feeling that anticipation and adrenaline pumping, waiting for that scary thing right around the corner. I can't even watch a horror movie. But that's not all. We're making this game in a game engine made for children. Scratch is a visual-based programming platform that is made for children to learn about programming and game making, which is very cool and exciting. Today, we're going to use it to make a horror game in 48 hours. And this is how it went. Oh, I can't hear you yet. Just a sec.
Oh, tell me when we should start.
No, I mean, in my opinion, it's already started.
It's Emily and Ezra, both people who have been laid off from their jobs and now are pursuing the dream of making video games for a living.
I'm a little nervous. Never done collab before. Feel still a little awkward. Have you done collab before?
I have done a collab before, actually.
Oh, nice.
The collab actually did really well, and now I'm actually doing another collab with the same creator that I did before.
Oh, wow.
For my Instagram, not my YouTube.
Oh, I see.
So yes, today we are going to be making a horror game in Scratch. For those who don't know, Scratch is a free game engine aimed at children that uses visual programming. So we as adults are going to use it to make something absolutely demonic.
Demonic. You know, I don't know about horror. Like when you said horror game, I was kind of a little bit worried because I'm terrible at playing horror games. I refuse to play. Like, I don't know if you remember Slenderman.
Slenderman scared me so bad back in the day.
So it came out when I was in college, and then friends and I we went into one of the classrooms, turned off all the lights, and put the game on the projector in the lecture room.
That's so scary.
Everybody else was doing fine, but I really can't handle it. After like 3 collected notes, I just had to like get out. I was like, I can't. Yeah, I mean, I think we looked at some of the themes, right?
Yeah, so we used a game jam theme generator to come up with these. Some of them are horror themed, like Who Wants to Live Forever and Hallucination. But then we also decided to put in a wild card, aka Wild Goose Chase.
How can you make a wild goose chase scary? I guess goose is kind of scary for some people.
Hey, if there's a goose that thinks that you have food and they're chasing you, that is a very scary experience.
I think getting chased by any animal can be pretty scary, actually.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite?
Okay, what I think is actually the easiest is Hallucination.
Okay.
The one that I think is actually the hardest is Voodoo Cowboys. When I hear Voodoo Cowboys, I don't even know what comes to mind. Like I don't even know what the gameplay would be. At least Wild Goose Chase, the chase part implies what the gameplay is. What about you?
Right. I mean, I guess, yeah, you're right. Voodoo Cowboy, I'm not sure what that is. I actually really like something more vague. Like, I think you said Hallucination is your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I like that because that gives like kind of freedom to interpret it however I want. Wild Goose Chase, I mean, I mentioned this already. Yes, Goose Chase can be scary, but I feel like I'll struggle with Wild Goose Chase for sure.
Okay, let's spin the wheel.
For the first time. Hey!
Oh,
This is no! Wild Goose Chase! I didn't want that one. Okay. Oh no. Yikes.
What ideas are you thinking?
I mean, I'm doing my best to avoid actual wild goose chase or being chased by a goose. Maybe there could be a play on word. Goose. Goose. Duck?
I mean, it's kind of like that game it's like Untitled Goose Game. So maybe we can use that as our inspiration. But
you know,
scary.
that game is low-key kind of scary because you're like sneaking around and you kind of
That's true.
Yeah. Okay. That's not too far-fetched. I mean, I would be impressed if you can replicate some gameplay from that with Scratch.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
that'll be our challenge. So let's see. We are going to make this Scratch game in 2 days.
2 days. So learning a new tool requires some tutorial searching. Luckily for me, I had a local expert ready. This is Hudson. He is 11 years old and he is my friend's son. And he happens to be a game developer himself on Scratch.
Hey, Dad. You want to learn Scratch?
Oh, sure. What do you got?
A lot to show you. This is Scratch, a code-based creator. You can make literally anything on it, like everything. So this is where you keep your things that you want.
Now that's a lot of projects.
Yeah, and then this is like the home screen where you can comment. You could also you can add it to a studio and then you can play it. Yeah, it's kind of like the home screen for your game.
Gotcha.
And then if you're interested in the code, which is what I'm supposed to be showing you right now,
Whoa.
this is kind of the code home screen where you have all your characters and all your code put together. So this is basically all the actors for your play. And then this part over here is the blocks, the actual code part of this.
Okay, got it.
This was a very thorough tutorial by Hudson, so I couldn't include everything, but it was very helpful. So thank you, Hudson.
I hope you liked this
I did.
video thing, and I hope you learned a lot. I'm Inky2-0. I have 1 follower, so please follow me.
So now that I've got the master tutorial and I'm ready to dive into it, the only thing is I kind of want to play around with what the potential is, since I don't actually know like what people have done so far. So I'm just going to go through some games that's already on the platform that are maybe popular or something, and then just play through it and see what they look like so far. Ooh, look at these. Oh wow, this one looks proper. Let's try this one out. It looks like a Minecraft. Oh, they have a coding tutorial YouTube. All right. Maybe I'll take a look at later, but here. All right, let's see. Tutorial too long. I'm just gonna, ooh. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, you can click on them. Oh, nice. And then you're holding it. Let's see. Oh, with the number key you can change. Oh, wow, this is very cool. Let's see. Text platformer. Simple enough. As you can see, you can walk on text. Pretty fun. Oh, okay, dodge the word spike. Ha, I see. It's giving that simpler version of Baba is you vibe. Don't touch the word lava. You can probably get on there. All right. A tiny, oh, there's a little bounce there. Bounce. Oh, I'm clearly terrible at this game. Okay, pretty fun actually. And then interesting concept. Makes you want to look at what's next. Okay, so you can make platformers. A lot of platformer I see. Interactive story. Space. Use arrow key to move. Go to paw print to move around the area. Go to the paw prints. Okay. I see. There's paw prints right there. Oh, look at that. Proper design. UX design. Interesting. The window is half open. This could be my chance to explore the forest. Oh. Click. Keyboard and mouse. Arrow key being the control, which is on the right side of the keyboard at the same time as spacebar being needed for progressing, and then the mouse to click. It's a bit wonky. So I think I get it. I get seems like there's some event control, there's a sprite control, click. So I think I'm gonna have to focus on showing things, having some sort of timed event, and then just simple interaction probably is something to do. So I've seen enough. I'm ready to create my game now. I still need to think about what is scary. I think I'm going to focus on uncanny, uncomfortable silence. I'm using Slenderman as a guy, basically. Okay, I think this is pretty straightforward. Oh wow, it has its own little sprite creator, so I can actually create sprite on the spot instead of having to draw something serious and upload. And then we got sounds, asset store. Okay, this is a proper engine. Should I make it so that it's first person? Oh my gosh, what if I make it first person? Is that going to be too much? That might be too much, but just first person adds that horror feel to it. Let's see. So I'm thinking you can use arrow key to look at different direction, and then you click around. And I think the horror mood will be created with just general sound effect and silence and darkness. Okay. Part of me is wondering if I'm if I'm over engineering this because of my programming habit. It's very cool. It's like the little slotting is autocomplete, right? Where it kind of limits what you can do, what fits there. And then you have this like concept of having functions, you have controls, you have conditional statement, math, and loop. You basically got a programming language. So this is pretty cool. I'm so excited for our future generation that they have tools like this to learn from when they're young now, and in a very fun way by creating games. I'm sure I'm just truly excited for what they will do. Even just next year, who knows? This is crazy. This is really exciting. All right, anyways. That's enough serious talk, right? Enough seriousness. Okay, this is a day 2. I just finished the horror game. I'm calling it Duck Duck Goose. I'm excited to see the reaction from Emily because I wasn't really expecting it to be actually kind of like scary. And I was able to successfully jump scare myself, even though I knew it was coming. So I think it has the right effect. So let's see if Emily agrees. All right, welcome back.
Welcome back from being done with our game.
Done is relative. I could work on it more, I think, but I didn't want to go too overboard, so I did.
I think that your game is going to be a lot better than mine because you spent like over triple the time I spent. I spent 2 hours, you spent 7
Okay,
hours.
well, I mean, we were given 48 hours, so you could have spent a little more time, but I thought I'd spent too little of time. 7 hours was kind of small, but all right. Okay, are you ready?
This is actually really exciting. ASD to change location. Click on the duck to collect. Collect 7 ducks before the goose gets you. Okay.
You can, yeah. All right.
Ooh, okay. This font. Woo! Okay, I'm ready. Whoa! Oh, wait. Oh, whoa, wait. Okay. Your game. Wait, I like the music. Okay. Oh. The goose. Riding trails on. What? This is like Slender Man, but with goose.
Whenever you hear the woo sound, so whenever you are not looking at the goose gets closer to you. As long as you're looking at the goose doesn't approach you.
Okay, okay. Wait, shoot. Okay, here we go. The goose stares at you. Okay. Oh. There we go. Okay, I think I'm getting the gameplay. Oh. Oh no. Okay. There we go. Ooh. Where is it? Oh. Oh no. Alright, oh, there we go. Back. Oh no. Run! Okay. No! Okay.
Yes! Got a genuine jump scare off of you. Nice.
That was scary. Okay, okay, wait. I need to try harder.
Oh, yes!
I did it!
Nice!
Yeah!
All right, I saw the full growth of your gameplay. Great, great. What do you think?
That was good. Wait, yours? I actually think that it was scary.
Okay, that's good. I sat there. I was thought about it. I was like, scary horror. How do I do it? I was like, I'm just gonna do Slenderman style. All right. If you enjoyed this experience, you should go check out what Emily made on her channel to see her experience of working with Scratch and my reaction of the game.